Welcome to Bids and Proposals for Dummies, Short Episodes, Big Wins, a podcast inspired by the book written by APMP Fellows Charlie Devine and Neil Cobb. Each episode gives you bite-sized, expert tips to help you navigate the complexities of bid and proposal writing and provides industry best practices on winning business. In today's episode, we'll cover how to effectively divide tasks and provide feedback when tackling large assignments, the importance of tracking expenses in costly proposals, and the significance of assembling a capable team with specialized roles and thorough partnering agreements. Breaking big assignments into manageable chunks is essential for ensuring the success of your proposal team. When faced with large and overwhelming tasks, it's natural for writers and contributors to feel stressed and unsure of where to begin. By dividing the workload into smaller pieces, assigning interim deadlines, and providing immediate feedback, you can make the process more effective and efficient. Consider the various tasks that contributors need to accomplish within a limited time frame. They need to research their topics, adapt the content to meet the outline and customers' needs, include important elements like win themes and value propositions, find or create suitable illustrations, write according to style specifications, and go through cycles of edits and reviews. This can be even more challenging for contributors without much proposal writing experience or when deadlines are tight. To maximize efficiency, it's crucial to carefully plan and schedule tasks. Consider the dependencies between tasks and create a task list that allows for simultaneous activities, such as writing proposal text and planning for proposal reviews. Concurrently, be aware of tasks that require long lead times, such as acquiring forms or obtaining legal reviews, and start these activities early to make the best use of time. While it may be tempting to have your team work on weekends and holidays to meet deadlines, it's important to prioritize their well-being and personal time. Allowing them to have evenings, weekends, and holidays off can actually increase productivity during regular business hours. Taking breaks, exercising, and getting enough sleep are also crucial for maintaining high-quality work. Lastly, it's essential to capture lessons learned from each bid, regardless of its success. This helps improve scheduling processes and refine task durations for future engagements. By consistently tracking time and activities against standards, you can foster a culture of continuous improvement and better manage risks associated with tasks. In summary, breaking assignments into smaller chunks, managing parallel tasks, prioritizing team well-being, and capturing lessons learned are all important strategies for effective proposal management. So, let's talk about budgeting for your proposals. We all know that proposals can be expensive, and there are a couple of reasons for that. First, you have to consider the time and effort put in by expensive specialists who are usually focused on other tasks. When they join a proposal team, their productivity in their normal roles takes a hit. This loss in productivity can be significant. Secondly, proposals require various resources like online proposal management systems, content repositories, travel and lodging for team members, and production resources for publishing the proposal. If you're the sole proposal writer or part of a small team, it's on you to figure out the budget for the proposal process. And that means not just budgeting for the actual proposal creation, but also for the time you'll spend on it. Because let's face it, you're probably juggling multiple proposals at once. Most large businesses have budgets specifically for bid and proposal expenses. They allocate funds based on opportunities, and that budget can cover the entire cost of winning the sale or just the cost of developing the proposal. The biggest chunk of any proposal budget is usually labor costs. So you'll have to account for permanent roles like proposal manager, proposal writer, graphic designer, etc., as well as costs for software, travel, office supplies, and production. To build a strong budget, you'll need to examine historical expenses and estimate the resources you'll need for each opportunity. Tracking expenses is crucial for budget accuracy, and it's smart to set aside some funds for unforeseen factors. But budgeting isn't just about money, it's also about budgeting your time. If you're the sole writer or manager, you'll be in high demand. It's important to track your time and report it to avoid burning out. Keep records of what you win and lose, and use that information to qualify your proposals better. And finally, create a staggered approach to scheduling your jobs to manage the workload and stress levels. Remember, it's not just about the money, but also about managing your time wisely. Crafting a winning proposal requires a capable team, not just individual effort. It involves blending diverse skills beyond one person's expertise. You need to choose the right internal or external teammates to ensure success. The Association of Proposal Management Professionals, APMP, outlines specialized roles that you can consider when selecting individuals for your proposal activities. One important role is the knowledge manager. They are responsible for creating and maintaining reusable knowledge databases, using their organization, writing, and information design skills to increase the value of your organization's intellectual property. Another crucial role is the production manager. They are responsible for planning and overseeing the printing, assembly, and final check of proposal documents. They should have specialized skills in both traditional print and electronic media. The proposal coordinator is responsible for all administrative aspects of proposal development. They ensure the security and integrity of all proposal documentation, coordinate internal flow and review of proposal inputs, and manage schedules and the final submission. The proposal director takes charge of all aspects of an organization's proposal operations. They ensure a formal process is in place and continuously work on process improvement. They may also manage the infrastructure within which proposal development functions are conducted. Proposal directors are often involved in broader business development activities. Other roles include proposal editors, graphic designers, proposal managers, and proposal writers. Each plays a vital part in developing a persuasive and visually appealing proposal. When working with virtual teams or global teams, communication becomes key. It is essential to clarify terminology, legal requirements, design concerns, and physical production concerns early in the process to avoid any misunderstandings. Partnering with other organizations may be necessary for large and complex opportunities. Careful consideration should be given to selecting partners based on their ability to increase your chances of winning and their willingness to be a good team player. Thoroughly document partnering agreements to ensure clear expectations and the protection of all parties involved. By carefully choosing the right team members and establishing effective partnerships, you can increase your chances of crafting a winning proposal. In this episode, we discussed how to effectively manage large assignments, the importance of tracking expenses in proposals, and the roles and considerations for building a capable proposal team. Thank you for joining us today on Book for Dummies, where we have explored an array of valuable insights and knowledge, and we can't wait to have you back with us for our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.